I'm Darrell Ponton. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to try to do a little bit of work on this fence before dark. Yesterday, my son went up to Menards to get a few dog-ear picket fence pieces. With all the high winds and the bad winters and hot summers, the fence has seen its better day. Now that I'm in the middle of tearing this fence down, it'd be the perfect time for me to make the gates a little bit bigger. So now I need to dig a hole to move this fence post. With all the high winds that blow through here, I'm going to put a little concrete in there to make it stronger. Yeah, I thought I was done with fence for a while, but I got a little bit around here I got to patch up too. But anyway. Now I got a couple old 2x6s laying around from a previous job, so I'm going to cut them up to make strips to hold the fence. And everyone knows with the high price of lumber, if you got something laying around, you better use it to help cut the cost. Thanks for joining me. I appreciate all you subscribers and followers, and I'll see you in the next one.